Okay.
Deck.
Now, this
all
flower,
these
this flower
Bungad.
smells so bad. Now, where do I go now? Yeah. By the way, where's Dr. Zach right here? Dr. Zach, where are you, my man? Oh, wait, what? Oh, wait. Dr. Zach, why are you in there? Why you are in the top of that? What the heck are you doing? Huh? Huh? Hey, John, you wanna clone yourself? Clone machine, huh? Is that a flipping beast clone machine? I'm not even kidding, but it's a clone machine, right? Huh? This is my clone machine. I know. This is my clone machine. 6,000. I can clone you. Wanna try? Well, I guess so. But hope this thing works because I know you're a scientist. You're a pretty mad scientist, but okay. Come on. Okay. Gonna, yeah. Wait, just a sec, Dr. Zach. Okay, now just go inside the machine and flick the lever. Just wait for a few seconds and you're done. Now let's get in here and wait in here, and I think that should be. Now let's flick the lever. There's nothing. Dr. Zach, is this gonna work? I'm flicking the lever. Oh, only once? Okay. And oh, push that. Oh! Oh, this is so cool. Oh, but what? Why his name is like that? It's kind of rude. Nah, just kidding. Why is his name is Guilty P, not Jim? What's wrong with you, Dr. Zach? Huh? Not good. Oh, it's my cousin, huh? Well, I guess it's my cousin. Okay, it's raining now. Hey, Guilty P, can you talk? Can you speak? Can you speak? Speak. Speak. Why? Why you cannot speak, man? You're my boy, and why you're mess up Steve's skin? Not even Steve right here. I am just a normal guy. But yeah. Well, I guess your clone machine didn't work. Of course I can. Oh, you can only talk at the chat in here. Oh, not in the like me talking right now, huh? Oh, that's so cool. Well, this is Dr. Zach's laboratory. This is his testing chamber where he build the machine, the clone machine 6,000. Yeah. Yeah. And this is the why I am here. Cause you are my cousin, and you make, Dr. Zach makes you. I mean me. Do we have the same blood? Huh? By the way, come here, come here, come here, come here. This is my window right here. This is the view. And if you wanna rob it, just destroy this block. And if you wanna go to the over there in the stairs, because I'm a professional, so I can go right here and break my legs. Yeah, but I didn't break my legs. I didn't get hurt, but yeah. And yeah, this is the how nice. Yeah, how nice is breaking legs, right? And this is the main lobby. I don't know where you are. Wait, where are you? Oh, there you are. You just follow me. And this is the tasting chamber. No, I mean the lobby. Which is we needed right here sitting. Can you sit right here? You will be my assistant. But I will be assistant from Dr. Zack. You're just the guiding right here. Now I have a tour guide. Ha ha ha. And why you're laughing? Tour guide? What? Oh crap, I'm lagging. Yeah, because I'm showing you what is in here. And this is, hey, come here, GLTP. Hey boy, what's happened to you, man? And why your hand is right there? Cause you're showing me this. Okay, well, I'm the tour guide, so this is Dr. Zack's office, which is where he read lots of books. And come here. Yeah, where are you? Wait, what? You just TP right there. The heck? And this is Dr. Zack's thing, which is a thing. If you don't know what thing is, it's a thing. Yeah, and this is the brewing station. And yeah. What now? Oh, I love potion. Yeah, me too. Dr. Zack, he will guide you from any potion right there. He will teach you. Come here at the top. GTP, are you okay? Deck. Okay, come here. Okay, I'm gonna show you at the top of the world. And this is where he talks somebody, where he take a nap. If you wanna take a nap, well, just sit on here. But that's where he busy. Are you gonna take a nap? Not now, buddy. I'm gonna show you the tour. You will just take a nap later. But first, we're going to go right here with the most important things. The treasure room, aka Dante Dem's treasure room. Yeah. And come here, boy. You cannot get in? Okay. Okay. I will have you. Okay, so I'm sorry about that. I'm sorry. Okay, I apologize. Okay, now we're gonna go right here, which is there's nothing right here I could do. I wish I could like Dante Dem's custom mod adventures, but I will make it in the future. So yeah. What are you doing? And I love this place. Yeah, I know it. I know. It's pretty cool, right? No. So yeah. So that's pretty much it. I'm gonna show you because my father is here now. Okay, come here now. Hey boy, you pink sheep, come here. Okay, I think that's gonna pretty much end for today's tour. Yeah, hope you all enjoy it. Come here, boy. Just gonna. So peace. Yeah. Okay. You wanna take a nap now? Well, what? So guys, he's just gonna take a nap. So hope you guys did all enjoy this video. If you did, make sure to smash that like button and subscribe to my channel. Like this video for the clone machine. Peace out and bye.